right, here it is, all finished. I think it'll get a little bit lighter as it dries because it's not 100% dry yet, but it's almost the same color as the tank. I think it looks better that way. But as you know, it broke up here, so piece of rod in there, plug weld, weld the seam, which welds those two pipes to the rod. Fixed, right? Well, yeah, it would be fixed, except the next place it'd break is up here, which is a similar bend and has just as much stress on it. Because I made that stronger, that's where all the energy would go. So I thought, okay, put a gusset in so all the weight back here past this rear mounting point, it becomes one unit. There's no flex, or there shouldn't be, so it'll be a lot stronger. This should last a lot longer. Now, where I think it'll fail next is up here, because now this whole unit is trying to pivot around these rear mounts, but I really don't think that's going to happen unless I carry a passenger on here, you know, strapped to the luggage rack. Because, you know, moving it around, like, it's going to break the rear subframe of the bike before the luggage rack breaks, I think. So just welded that on. These holes in the front and back are for tie down points, because when I got the Rotopacks on here, a lot of these nice tie down points on this plate are not accessible. And Outback Motortek did offer to warranty this. It was out of warranty, and I told them, hey, I bought this in the winter, I didn't get to use it a lot, I had Rotopacks on there, which is what it was designed for, and it broke. Well, 2-gallon Rotopacks is kind of at the max limit. It's like, you know, yeah, but it's under the limit you said this could hold, so they did offer to warranty it. So we'll see if they send me one. They said they're going to. We'll see if it happens. I'll let you know if they do. But even if I get that new one, I'm going to have to put gussets on it. What I might use the new one for is making something like this, but gussets between here and here also. Just redo the whole thing. Maybe, I don't know, but this is fixed. It works. Having a MIG welder is one of the best big tool items you can buy after you get done getting all your, you know, your basic hand tools. Super handy having a little welder around. But that is repaired.